Hi everyone, this is Danny Boy here again, and I did say when I get my hair cut I'll show you guys, so this is just a quick video showing you my hair, where it's got cut. So here we go. There you go, look, nice and short. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. See, nice and short. You like? But yeah, so we'll go closer. It's very short, man. Very short. I did want to get a one round here, but like my mum cut me hair, so you know she didn't have a one, so I had to make do with a two. But yeah, it makes me look different, don't it? Changes me, makes me look better. Anyway, so yeah, that was just a quick little video. I think I might put another video like together of yeah, I think I might put another video together like of a, like when I went out with my girlfriend and her brother. They took the dog out for a walk, so I might put that there first, or I might put this in first and then do that after, like all in one video sort of thing, because then it'll be like a 5-6 minute video, so that'd be better. So I think we're going to do that. So right, this is Danny Boy. Oh yeah, by the way, tell me what you guys want out of my videos. You know, what can I give to you? Because you're the ones that are watching them. So you tell me like what to do. Should I keep doing like this, or not do this anymore? You know, like tell me what you guys want. You know, what you want from me. And you know, that'd be a great help, because I like getting feedback from people. You know, telling me what they want and what they want me to do, or how I can do this, or you know, just let me know. Alright guys, and I'll see you all later, and happy St George's Day. Look at my t-shirt. The Duffer of St George, oh yes. Alright, see you all later, bye.
You ever got it? Yeah, he got it. Get it.
Can you get it? I got it.
Oh, let's go, Mum. Yeah.
Stupid dog.
Oh,